Hey everybody, Nick from DSI here. Here to talk to you today about truck hardware and Gatorback Mudflaps. These are exclusive to DSI and we could not be prouder to have them as a partner. Gatorback Mudflaps are all made out of a virgin rubber. Virgin rubber has no cording in it and they don't discolor. So, when you have your flap bolted into your wheel well, if you back into a snow pile, rock pile, whatever that may be, this is going to tear out by design. That is good. If you have a recycled rubber flap with cording in it, that's going to hold, and then you're going to have a flap that hangs down to the side, and then you're going to have bodywork. A lot cheaper to replace a flap than it is to replace a fender well. But these carry a lifetime warranty, so if that happens, DSI sends you the new rubber, customer retrieves the plate, slap the plate back on the flap, it's easy peasy, all taken care of. On the new 2020 and up Silverado 2500s and then 19 on up Sierra 1500s, Truck Hardware has designed a finishing cap for these. If you'll notice on those trucks, they all have this little mini mud flap from the factory that hangs down. I believe they call it an air deflector. I'm not entirely sure. But either way, it doesn't make any sense to anybody. So these finishing caps will finish off that fender flare, make it look like how it should look from the factory, and complete that look so you don't look like you have a mud flap on a mud flap. On the Silverado 2500s, if you're running oversized tires or bigger wheels, you're going to need the finishing caps because those air deflectors are going to have to come off anyway. So the finishing caps will complete that look and make your truck look oh so sweet. For any of these products, go to dsIautomotive.com or give your rep a call today.